Hello, good morning students. In previous class, we have started lesson number 18, the environment and us. Now, today we are going to study the need to maintain environmental balance. Due to human intervention, that is interference in nature, large scale changes are taking place in the air, water and land. Also, these non-living or abiotic components are getting polluted. As a result, the existence of living things is threatened. Threatened means at risk or in danger. While several living things have already become extinct. Extinct means died out. If one factor of the environment is damaged, its relationships with other factors also get affected and environmental balance is disturbed. From time to time, some of the living things on the earth become extinct. But today, this process is taking place at a much faster rate. This is a threat for the whole living world. Now, do you know if the different types of plants and animals become extinct one by one, many of the links in the different food chains will be lost. Many scientists believe that this will affect the entire living world on the earth and the balance in nature will collapse. Now we'll see our needs and the environment. Food, water and clothes are the needs of all people. We use a lot of things to meet these needs. Besides, we use many means and devices for the purpose of studies, sport, hobbies and entertainment. We even stock up these things so that they will be available to us whenever we need them. All these things are obtained by using materials from our environment. All the people in the world have similar needs and desires. As a result, the environment is being degraded. Degraded means destroyed rapidly. We need to be aware that we ourselves are a part of nature. If the balance of nature is disturbed, it will adversely affect human beings too. Now, step to prevent degradation of environment. We need to take steps to prevent the degradation of the environment. The steps should mainly include using our means frugally. Frugally means carefully and recycling used articles. Such measures should be practiced sincerely by each and every person. Let us resolve. Let us all ensure that no action on our part will cause pollution or cause harm to living things. Let us make all possible efforts for the conservation of the living world. Global efforts for protection of the environment. Several projects are being implemented at the international level to maintain the balance in nature. It is important to raise the awareness of people all over the world about the threat to environmental balance. Many countries of the world are enacting means passing laws that will help to prevent the pollution of air, water and soil. Now observe the video of endangered animals means the animals which are at danger to become extinct if proper measures are not taken.
India is a peerless abode of wonderful and exotic animals. The country harbors a charismatic mixture of wildlife species. There are more than 500 wildlife sanctuaries and 100 national parks, which give shelter to an enormous number of endangered and wild animals. The country is blessed with diverse and unique creatures, but due to harsh human interference, many of the animals are on the verge of extinction. Not only does man's actions determine the fate of these animals, but climate change plays a major role in the decline of their existence as well. Today, we present you the list of 5 most endangered species that you should see and try to save before they disappear. Lion-tailed macaque. Running along the west coast of India, the mountains of Western Ghats are home to a rare species, lion-tailed macaque. With only 2,900 species in zoo and wildlife reserves, the lion-tailed macaque is one of the most endangered animals in the world. The silent feature of the macaque and its appearance are its outstanding characteristics. The lion-tailed macaque is an old world monkey and is one of the 16 macaque species. The lion-tailed macaque is so well adapted to its forest home that it simply cannot adjust to the new habitats being created by human intrusion. Greater one-horned rhinoceros. The greater one-horned rhinoceros, also known as Indian rhinoceros, are listed as one of the most vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. It is the largest rhino species and the largest land mammal after the elephant. Poaching of horns is an important reason for the decline in the number of the Indian rhinoceros. There had been a dramatic increase in the number of greater one-horned rhinoceros since 1975, but there is a consistent threat due to an increase in hunting cases. With at least half of the total population, India's Kaziranga National Park remains the key reserve for this species. Black buck. Black bucks, the Indian antelopes, are found in abundance in the plains, grasslands and scrubs of India. It is also the state animal of Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. Activities like hunting, poaching, habitat destruction, overgrazing and inbreeding has led to a drastic downward fluctuation in the black buck population. Another reason why the black buck population is immensely decreasing is the large-scale conversion of their habitats into agriculture fields and poaching. Bengal tiger. Considered as the national animal of two major countries, India and Bangladesh, the Bengal tiger is justifiably referred to as the big cat. Around 70% of the world's wild tigers live in India. Tigers are fast vanishing due to human interference and poaching cases. The natural habitat of tigers in India, tropical evergreen forests, deciduous forests, mangrove swamps, thorn forests and grass jungles, has almost disappeared outside the reserves. Altogether, there are 48 tiger reserves in India, but one place that has captured the fancy of major wildlife aficionados is the Jim Corbett National Park. There are 2,226 tigers left in India according to 2014 census. Asiatic lion. Gujarat in India is home to a large population of Asiatic lion, also known as the Indian lion or the Persian lion. The king of the jungle reigns supreme in India. The Asiatic lions are renowned as the second largest feline species in the world after the tigers. As per the facts presented by WWF, the Asiatic lion can be only found in India. The 1400 square kilometer Gir Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat is the last royal refuge to the Asiatic lion. Only 200 or so Asiatic lions exist in the wild, so it's not wrong to say that the conservation of this species is really important right now. So these were some of the most incredible animals that we might never see again until and unless some serious action takes place. These five and some more species are vital for the maintenance of the ecological balance as they play a key role in the food cycle. Extinction of these species will ultimately cause a big loss for humans. There are many NGOs you can join to help conserve these great species, so let's act before it's too late.
I hope you understood the topic. So, for better understanding, read the topic once again and do the given homework.